If you are an immigrant in the United States, you must understand what I'm about to discuss. So there are different types of removal procedures or deportation procedures in U.S. immigration law in the United States. We're going to talk about 7 of them, and I'm going to zero in on one very crucial one that you must understand in order to avoid falling a victim. Okay, so the first type is called a reinstatement of a removal order. The second type is called an expedited removal order. I've discussed this on our videos in the past. The third type is called an administrative removal proceedings, and then there is the administrative removal proceedings for visa waiver program entrants, and then we have the regular removal proceedings, regular immigration courts. The sixth type is where there's an old deportation order and you have not left the United States. You have a prior or an outstanding removal or deportation order. The seventh type is the stipulated removal. Now, under this stipulated removal, it's a procedure that will allow your deportation from the United States as a non-citizen without allowing you to appear before an immigration judge. And if you remember, I gave you guys the 3 key codes. You show your red card, you sign nothing, say nothing, do nothing. And these know your rights, these 3 things, they work best when you are at home, where you are king in your home and there's a reasonable expectation of privacy, and ICE is not going to go to court to get a judicial warrant just to enter your home, and so they need your consent to enter your home. If you don't do anything, they're not going to come arrest you. This procedure, the stipulated removal order, specifically is taken care of if you do not sign anything. And we've seen cases where people think that, oh, I understand this and so I'm signing it, and then you explain it to them and they're like, oh my god, I thought it meant this and not that. And so number 1, don't sign anything at all. Number 2, don't sign anything at all, even if you think you understand what it means, because there could be certain things that you misunderstand and that could work to your detriment or that could affect you negatively. With a stipulated removal order, if you sign a stipulated removal order that ICE gives to you, you will waive your right to a hearing and you agree to have a removal order entered against you without appearing before an immigration judge. And sometimes people who sign these stipulated removal orders, they are detained, and once they are detained, ICE will tell you, okay, just sign this and I'll release you. And you're looking for freedom, and then you've just signed your deportation. You've agreed to be deported without seeing an immigration judge. And some of these people could have eligible reliefs, or they have ways to remain in the United States. They could have viable pathways to even get green cards, but they are caught unawares and they sign their own death warrant or removal orders. And so please do not sign anything, even if you believe you understand what you're signing. I hope this helps. I'll see you soon in our next video. Bye.